Hey friend, welcome to Godly Nutrition. Are you tired of feeling confused about nutrition and what foods are actually healthy? Do you struggle understanding food labels? Natural, organic, non-GMO. Do you feel guilty for buying convenience foods because cooking healthy seems challenging? If so, you're in the right place. Here on Godly Nutrition, we will clear the healthy eating confusion, learn how to confidently read food labels, and discover how to cook healthy meals at home with ease. Hi, I'm Tracy, a wife, a mother, and someone who found herself right where you are, standing in the grocery aisle, confused and frustrated. See, many years ago, I suffered from hypoglycemia and had to change the way I ate, but I didn't know where to begin. Without much help from the medical community, I spent years researching what foods were truly healthy and life-giving. Today, I teach others how to return to God-designed foods so they can nourish their families with confidence. Each week, I will be sharing healthy eating foundations, do some ingredient deep dives, talk about milling whole grains and homemade bread, and of course, practical applications. You don't have to be a doctor or a nutritionist to know how to eat healthy. So if you're ready to learn simple whole food truths, how to choose the healthiest ingredients, and feel empowered by healthy nutrition that's rooted in godly principles, then come hang out with me each week here on Godly Nutrition. Grab your pen and paper and let's make healthy eating simple again.